Hello friends, this is Tanya here with another product close-up for the Greatest Friends on Earth release. This is the Papercrafting Magic die and stamp set. This is a stamp set that is designed to complement interactive cards. There are several arrows and words and phrases in this die and stamp set. The two largest sentiments are accompanied by dies that cut both of them out, and they line up beautifully. And this is how they look when you die cut them. This is no ordinary card, that phrase. Each of those words die cuts individually, so you can arrange them however you like. And this one has an area where you can snip them apart very easily so that they can be configured any way you like. This die cuts out several, actually both of these dies cut out several things all at once, all kinds of arrows and sparkles and stars that you can add for a little extra pizzazz all over your interactive cards, or even your not interactive cards. They fit easily in any die cutting machine. This happens to be a sidekick, and I'm going to show you all of these little die cuts exactly how they look when you cut them out. You can pop them out with a die release tool, or what I call my pokey tool, if they get stuck. Here are all of those dies laid out on a piece of paper for you, and they have coordinating stamps. Now those dies don't cut out the stamped image, but they are the same image as the stamp. And here are each of those images stamped out next to the die cut version. There's a heart in this looped arrow and just a plain loop in this one. This one has a sharp curve. All of these are like flip or twist or turn. This one you can make point in any direction. This one goes in both directions at the same time, right and left or up and down. And this one, both of these last two could be for slider cards. This one is another sweet little curved or circle-ish. Here is a dotted arrow, say you had a tear that you needed to highlight. And here are some sparkles in a variety of sizes, a small and a large. Here is like an asterisk die or stamp or a star. Here is a diamond. This one is an outline and the die cut is a solid image. This one that I was thinking was a heart die cut is actually the inner part of the swooped or looped arrow that has a heart in the middle. You could add this in a contrasting color if you wanted. Then we have three graduatingly smaller stars. This one is these two are outlines, and the last one is a solid star stamp. These are all of the stamped and die cut images from this stamp and die set. And there are a variety of words that you can use also. Here are the words that come in this stamp set. You have tear that goes well with the tear tab. You have pull. For this pull, I'm going to put a little baker's twine in this hole, which will also highlight the fact that this is a pull card or a slider card. And that just really clues your recipient into the fact that this is an action card. This is a flap card. We're going to add a little open to that one to give your recipient a clue that they can open it to see more. I love how sharply that is showing up. And here is an example of a finished interactive card. I'm interactive. Pull here. I didn't show you all of the stamped words, but these are a few of them in action. Now that's the card that I created. Here are several more very clever uses of these stamps and dies. This one, Davina, created this adorable juggling fellow on a unicycle and used all of these different dies and stamps from this set to demonstrate the juggling and also use the sentiment for the back. Here is that card in a still. Here's the card I created with the magic theme fitting perfectly in it. Here is a big top that opens. The front of the circus tent opens down, and then you're going to open the tent one more time for another message. Here is a fun pull tab card that really reveals a Starbucks gift card. This one, the pieces of the girl separate in a slider, and this is a shaker card. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in this stamp and die set, check the description box for a link below. Until next time, bye-bye.